How to unmark Quickbooks invoice as paid. So here I will just hover over sales from the left hand side and I'm going to go to all sales. Now we want to locate the payment for our invoice. So you will be able to see your invoice right here. It's going to be marked as paid and you will be able to see the payment tab itself. So what we want to do is left click on it, the payment tab I mean, and then we will choose edit. Now once we're taken to the invoice payment page here, we want to scroll down until we see the option to clear payment here in the bottom right corner. Just click on it and amount to apply will now change to 0. We want to click on save and new, and it will tell us that the transaction you're editing is linked to others. Are you sure you want to modify it? We will choose yes here. And as you can see now it says that we've received $0, and if I go back, now the invoice is marked as unpaid. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.